Hello, everyone. I hope I am audible. Would be great if somebody writes in the comment box whether I'm audible or not. The thing is that you can see on the left corner, there will be a question mark sort of thing. If you click on the question mark, you can write, yeah, I am getting this. Yes, thank you. Question mark. If you click on the question mark, you can ask me any questions when this process is on. Quite a number of attendees have already joined. However, it's just 5:30. I think we can wait for maybe 1 or 2 more minutes before starting with the content. Uh, yeah, I'm getting it. Yes, sir, you're audible. Many people are telling me. One thing I will tell you, uh, see this, somebody has asked me already that what is going to happen here. See, this webinar is all about immense opportunities after after pursuing BTech, BPT, MTech, MPT, BBA, MBA, BCA, MCA, these courses from UEM Jaipur. So you should not lose a year. So I'm here to present you with University of Engineering and Management UEM Jaipur, and also to give you an insight that post COVID-19, should you lose a year, that is right now, should you lose a year, and how will the career opportunities be like? So there are immense opportunities. So my first point to all of you will be that do not lose a year. And I'm going to present you with an entire presentation of UEM Jaipur. I'm waiting for maybe maximum 1 more minute for some other attendees to join because it's just 5:31. So let me just wait for 1 more minute before I'm sure my screen is visible to all of you. Again, will be great if somebody writes yes. Is my screen visible? Is the PowerPoint visible to all of you? Yeah, okay, thank you. Okay, so let me start now. First and foremost, let me introduce myself. I'm Professor Dr. Biswajoy Chatterjee. I'm the Vice-Chancellor of University of Engineering and Management, UEM Jaipur. I repeat, I am Professor Dr. Biswajoy Chatterjee. I'm the Vice-Chancellor of UEM Jaipur, which is the University of Engineering and Management. About myself, I have done my BTech. After doing my BTech, I completed my Masters from Jadavpur University, Kolkata. I did my PhD from NIT, National Institute of Technology, with a bit of research from National University of Singapore on the field of robotics. Robotics is very close to my heart. I've done a lot of research, tried to do a lot of research on robotics, though I have also worked a bit on the other domain, that is nanoscience and nanotechnology, on which I did my PhD. So this is basically about myself. Now, about our university, University of Engineering and Management, UEM Jaipur. Let me tell you that in the year 2009, we were given an invitation from government of Rajasthan to establish a university in Jaipur. We means the reputed IEM Group of Kolkata, Institute of Engineering and Management, IEM Group of Kolkata. The IEM Group of Kolkata is, right from its inception, has been socially accredited as the best institute of West Bengal. In West Bengal, all colleges, those who are BTech aspirants will know it very well, and other aspirants, BCA, BBA, they will also know it very well that IEM, ever since its inception, has been chosen by all aspirants as the first institute, first amongst all the self-financed institutes of West Bengal. So IEM has been doing very good ever since its inception, with placements, with academics, with foreign collaborations. Now in 2009, in TEQIP, Technical Education Quality Improvement Program, it is a program funded by World Bank. In this program, TEQIP, Technical Education Quality Improvement Program, funded by World Bank, IEM stood the first in the entire country. So after standing first in the entire country, as you can understand, from many states, we got invitation to set up a university or an educational institute. One of them being Rajasthan. From Rajasthan government, we also got the invitation back in 2009. So we came up with the plan. So in 2011, with the help of government, we started the University of Engineering and Management, UEM Jaipur. I repeat, in 2011, we started with this University of Engineering and Management, UEM Jaipur. From then on onwards, by God's grace, we have done good. We have done very good with placements. I will be showing you a PowerPoint presentation very soon with the presentation with the placements and other things. So we have been doing very good. Students have been acquiring many job offers. They have really done very good and made us proud. They have got foreign internships. They have got foreign placements. They have gone for study abroad. They have been selected in reputed universities. So they are doing very good and we are riding their success. So that is briefly about UEM. Now I go to the main presentation. So I'm sure that you can see my screen. In the screen, you can see University of Engineering and Management and many things, many batches being presented, many badges being presented. Now, these are the global ratings. You know, QS is one of the global rating agency. So QS has rated us in gold category overall and with the diamond category in placements. So we have got in placements of students, we are rated diamond category by the reputed QS awards and in gold category overall. So definitely the question is, who are we? I've given a brief about who are we, but that was with reference to IEM Kolkata about University of Engineering and Management UEM Jaipur, which is now there for last 8 years. Let me tell you, in 2020, we were ranked, this was published in January, we were ranked third in Rajasthan by the Institution Innovation Council of the Ministry of HRD Government of India. In 2020, we ranked third, and this ranking was given by MHRD Government of India, and we ranked above BITS Pilani and Rajasthan University. And also, we are the 4 times consecutive champions of Rajasthan by the NPTEL exam, Ministry of HRD, Government of India. As you can all understand that students of engineering or MBA or BBA or BCA, they appear in the exam conducted by the university. But when we are conducting the exam of the university, the students are competing amongst one another. NPTEL or SIAM is a platform made by Government of India, MHRD, in which all students can participate together in one exam and can judge themselves where they stand compared to the entire country. Now, I'm proud to say that in that exam conducted by MHRD Government of India, UEM Jaipur for the last 4 sessions are the consecutive champions of Rajasthan. So that is basically us. That is basically UEM Jaipur. Where are we located? We are located in Sikar Road. You know, from Jaipur city, a highway goes towards Sikar. It's the same highway which goes towards BITS Pilani. So that highway, if you catch and start moving, then within 30 kilometers, you can reach University of Engineering and Management, UEM Jaipur. In our surrounding, everybody knows us by Gurukul. We are called the Gurukul. So that is basically us. Who are we? Where are we? Again, a bit of about us. I told you that in 2009, we got the invitation from Rajasthan government. So in 2011, we established ourselves. UEM Jaipur was established, and it was established by an ordinance of Government of Rajasthan, ordinance number 11 of 2011 of Government of Rajasthan, which finally got finalized into Act number 5 of 2012 of Government of Rajasthan, promoted by IEM Trust, as I told you. UEM Jaipur is a full government approved and UGC recognized university. It has got the right to confer degrees as per sections 22 of UGC Act. It is under IEM Trust, and IEM Trust has the UEM Jaipur, Rajasthan. It has got IEM Kolkata, and definitely it has got UEM Jaipur also, UEM Kolkata also. So this is about UEM Jaipur, I believe. Our affiliations and recognitions, I already told you, we are under UGC. We are established by the Government of Rajasthan. We are approved by AICTE. We are listed by the Association of Commonwealth Universities. Well, we are under Association of Indian Universities. So all affiliations and recognitions you can think of, UGC, AICTE, AIU, Association of Commonwealth Universities, UK. We are under all these associations and we have got all the affiliations that you can think of. So these are basically our affiliations and recognitions. I know it's a bit early to start with the placements, but I can already see on the screen that many of you are already asking me, sir, how are the placements? I know when a student wants to think about a university or thinks about his career, the first thing that goes in his mind is that I will be pursuing this degree. Will I get good placements? So before I tell you about these placements at UEM Jaipur, let me tell you that you are thinking that in this COVID-19 scenario, how are the placements going on, or how is the possibility of placement? Let me tell you that we are lucky enough to see that every day one student or the other is definitely getting placed. If you look into our Facebook page, www.facebook.com stroke UEM JPR. I repeat, it's a facebook.com followed by stroke UEM JPR. If you look into it, every day you will find about one placement or the other. Students are getting opportunities of internships and placements, work from home. In 2019, as you can see, one student got 7 job offers. I will just make this screen maybe full. One student got 7 job offers. If you look into it, one student got 6 job offers. There are 6 students who got 5 job offers. There are 6 students who got 4 job offers. There are several students who got 3 job offers, several students who got 2 job offers. In this picture, in this poster, you can see only those students, up to those students who have got up to 2 job offers. One job offer could not be fit in this picture. So every student got one job offer. And one good thing about UEM Jaipur is we keep on continuing with our placements till the last student is placed. I repeat my word, till the last student is placed, we keep on continuing with our placements. And sometimes it can happen that the students opt out. So if the students opt out, it's a different issue, but we keep on continuing if he is opting, if he or she is opting. So in 2019, the placement percentage achieved was 123.22%. Now, you will be asking me definitely, sir, how is this percentage possible? 123.22. The percentage is if you divide the number of job offers by the number of students, then you get this ratio. Then you get this figure. And the number of job offers was more than the number of students. It was 1.23 times. So it is 123.22%. Because as you can see, one student got 7 job offers, one student got 6 job offers, many students got 5 job offers. So definitely dividing the number of students, number of job offers by the number of students, the number of job offers were more. So this turns out that this number is more than 100. If you continue with this, in 2020 till now, the placement percentage achieved till April 15th is 103.41%. That's because, as you can understand, that about 4 months of placement season is still left. Placement is now going on in full fledged also. So many students are getting job offers, as I have said, work from home opportunities, and also placement after opportunities after this situation is over, current situation is over. This year, it is 103.41% till now. And if you look into it, one student got 9 job offers, Ankit. He got 9 job offers. One student got 5 job offers. There are 4 students who got 4 job offers. 3 students got 3 job offers. And in this picture, in this poster, you can see only those students who got at least 2 job offers. So I have already seen, I've already shown you the placement of UEM Jaipur, which you were very much interested with. There are certain questions already in the chat box asking me, sir, how are the placements of MCA, BCA? These placements are also very good, wonderful. As you can see, this 9 job offers, Ankit, he was a student of BCA only. 5 job offers, Ashish Kumar Singh, he though was from BTech. So in all these fields, be it BTech, be it BCA, there are plenty of job offers. Even in BPT, students are getting several internships from hospitals. BPT is Bachelor of Physiotherapy. I'll come into the details of that course also very soon. Now, why UEM Jaipur? Students, before I tell you why UEM Jaipur, I'm assuming that many of you are students opting to study, opting for a course, wanting to opt for a course. So before I tell you why UEM Jaipur, I want to go 2 slides front and tell you about this thing. See, in these trying times of COVID-19, all classes are being held in UEM Jaipur, or in rather IEM UEM group. All classes are being held online. All classes means the routine that was followed pre-COVID-19 situation, the same routine was followed to conduct each and every class exactly as per routine, and the students did not miss out on anything. So if straightforward you ask me, how is your higher education hampered by this COVID-19? I will tell you, till now, we are not hampered. Our education has not been hampered because all classes have been held through the different software, video conferencing software. I've written Zoom because Zoom was initially being used before ministry told that Zoom cannot be used. So we have now got rid of Zoom and we have replaced it by Google Meet. We are doing it through Zoom. We are doing it through WebEx. We are doing it through many other YouTube Live, many other live lectures we are doing. But the classes are absolutely being conducted for all the students properly. Even the laboratories are being held online. How is that possible? See, there is a facility given by the Ministry of HRD called Virtual Labs. It is vlab.co.in. So through that vlab.co.in, all laboratories are being held online. Even assignments are being shared and monitored through Google Classroom. Google Classroom is something through which a teacher can give the assignments and the students can submit those assignments also. Now somebody asks me that how laboratories are actually held because it's an online thing. In that VLab, you can take all those apparatus virtually and you can show how those apparatus are functioning. You can show that. So that is how the laboratories are also being held online through Virtual Labs. Exams are being conducted online through IEMCRP. It's our e-governance software through which exams were conducted. So how is it possible exams? Many people already asked me that, sir, okay, I understand about the theory, laboratory, but how are exams being held? Let me tell you, exams are conducted in this way that the entire question paper is being sent to the students through our e-governance software. Students are writing that answers to that question in a piece of paper and uploading it, scanning and uploading it, which is being distributed to the teachers to check the answer scripts. Now here comes in the question that then how do you ensure that there is no unfair means being used? For that, the question paper that has been set, that question paper is a bit tricky question paper. We call it open book sort of question paper. It's a standard thing where you can refer a book also to answer, but in the book, you will not get a straightforward answer to this question. You will have to use your analytical mind to answer the questions, and then only you will be able to answer or you'll be able to derive a conclusion. So that way the exams are conducted. Then you will ask me that whether somebody's help is being taken. For that, we are using all this conferencing softwares, that is WebEx, be it Google Meet, be it Hangouts, through which one teacher is being assigned 10 students and one teacher is monitoring 10 students through camera that the students are answering themselves. Placements are also being conducted, and I can tell you that even during this lockdown season, students have got offers from Wipro, Capgemini, they have got internship offers from Capital Box, Lancers Council, Krypton, all with work from home opportunities. So I will tell prospective admission seekers not to wait, and they can definitely take admission if they are really wanting to. Now I come back to that point, that why UEM Jaipur? I will tell you there are few reasons for it. Number one, UEM Jaipur provides for CBCS syllabus. What is CBCS? CBCS is choice based credit system. Choice based credit system means a student can opt for the topics or the papers that the students want to. For example, you say that I am interested in artificial intelligence, but you have opted for BTech CSE because you want to remain general, but you want to focus more towards artificial intelligence. You can choose specifically those papers of artificial intelligence which will guide you towards having a career in artificial intelligence. I think you understand my point. Many people might say, no, sir, I want to remain general, I want to remain in CSE, but I want to somehow specialize in data science. What you can do is you can choose CSE, but then you can also opt for some special papers of data science. I'm talking about BTech, but same is applicable for BCA, BPT, BBA. All these are possible. Say in engineering, electrical engineering, you say that, okay, I will study electrical engineering, but I want some specific knowledge and specific focus on renewable energy resources. You can do that. You can take some specific papers on renewable energy. So that is the specialty of a CBCS syllabus. So students over here can opt for a CBCS syllabus. About the placement, I've already told you that it continues till the last student is placed. This is interesting that one very important point about UEM Jaipur is government job preparation oriented study is incorporated as a paper in the syllabus of all semesters of UEM Jaipur. I repeat, in all the semesters that you study, maybe in a BCA you study 6 semesters, in BTech you study 8 semesters, in BPT also you study 8 semesters. So in all these semesters, you have got one paper incorporated, which is government job preparation oriented study. So if your focus is that you want to go for a government job, then you don't need to do separate preparation for that. Our syllabus incorporates the government job preparation oriented study. In every semester, you have to appear for at least one paper related to this government job. So you can understand, by the time you complete your 8 semesters or 6 semesters, depending on your course, by that time you have completed your preparation for government job oriented study. Then comes the emerging topics. The emerging topics which are in high demand, like artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, Internet of Things, cloud computing, these are all incorporated in the syllabus of UEM Jaipur. So when you are passing out, you are industry ready to deliver right from the first day. Next, advantages of staying in a hostel is that you always remain in close eyes, very near to your teachers. So when this lockdown or when this pandemic situation is over, you can understand, when you can join the hostel, you can definitely have a hostel life. You can study with peers, you can study with your friends, you can work in the laboratories even at night, which is very common in UEM Jaipur. So these are the different points. Now, before I proceed, I want to see whether there are some specific questions so that I can answer a few of them. See, let me just take some questions. Allow me, please. Okay. BBA career and placement. Okay, what is BBA career and placement? Yes, you have got in BBA, you are getting, see, in BBA, our students are regularly getting some internship or the other. So they are getting some placement or the other. So I've already told you few names of companies. I will also again read out some of these companies. If I just read out during this period, see, these are the companies: Capital Box, Lancer Council, Krypton. All this have recruited BBA and MBA students both. Whereas Wipro, Capgemini, these have recruited BTech students. So BBA also, the placement poster that I presented was wonderful, was comprising of all BBA, BCA and everything. Okay. Somebody asks me electrical and electronics engineering. Yes, electrical and electronics engineering is highly there. And I will be very proud to tell you that in electrical engineering, there is one transmission laboratory that has been established in UEM Jaipur. And I tell you, that is the only transmission laboratory in any university present in entire North India. I'll show you a picture of it very soon. When I go through this presentation, I'll show you a picture of it. So please remain on it. And electronics engineering, robotics, and other electronics devices are regularly being developed by our students. So we are more oriented towards practical. So somebody does the theory, and in practical, they can actually talk to a teacher, and they can actually do in the classroom. They can come up with some electronic devices, which I will show you very soon. When I go through this presentation, I will show you some of those devices that our students have done. Thank you. Somebody is asking me how to take admission. For admission, I will come to very soon. There is a number. There are two numbers. One is 8010700500. If you want to note, you can note it down. 8010700500. Though it will be present at the end of my presentation, but still I tell you, 8010700500 is one. Another is 988731330. I repeat, 988731330. 988731330. You can call in any of these numbers and you can take admission. You can take online admission. We have got our admission portal, and you can click into that admission portal. Is admission.uem.edu.in. I repeat, admission.uem.edu.in. It will come in my presentation last slide. Somebody writes, I have done BCom. So if definitely MBA is an option for you. MBA is wonderful in our university if you are interested. Yes, it is a good career. Somebody asked me whether it's a good career. Yes, it's a wonderful career. Thank you. So before answering other questions, let me continue with my presentation again. Just a minute, please. Okay. So about our campus. Okay, these are the facilities. Yes, hostel facilities, hospital facilities, these are all available. There is a hospital within campus. It's a 32-acre huge campus. It's a wonderful campus, and I will tell you, in the campus you will really feel good. There's a feel good factor within the campus. See, being a vice chancellor of the university, you might feel that I'm exaggerating, but believe me, if you come to the campus, you will say for yourself that you will feel that immediately you will feel that you have entered an ashram. There are 1,000 trees within the campus. There are 11 buildings within those trees. You'll feel like it's an ashram thing, but then again, you will find students moving around with the laptops, using the Wi-Fi, surfing internet, studying over the internet, and continuously doing something or the other. They're studying, they're learning, they're surfing internet, doing some research. All these things you will find students moving around. So it's a wonderful thing that you find. You will find a dedicated mechanical workshop. You will find a dedicated electrical power transmission line, as I have said. It's a dedicated innovation lab that you will find. Once you enter the innovation lab, you will find humanoid robots moving around. You will find spider robot. All these robots you will find, and all these things you will get to see. And it's a really feel-good factor once you enter this campus. I will request all of you to have a look into our website, get into the gallery, and see few pictures of our university. Hygiene aspects are taken care of. Transportation facilities are available. If you are staying in Jaipur, you can use our bus services. Once the situation of lockdown is over and the colleges are physically opened, you can use our bus services. It's a 24/7 high-speed internet facility. 1000 Mbps speed is available. So all these things are present in our campus. And I tell you, assure you, it's a feel-good factor in our campus. It's a 32 acres land, I have told you, and two academic buildings, 3 boys, 1 girls hostel, 5 canteens, dedicated mechanical workshop, mixed it around 11 buildings altogether. Sports grounds are present, cricket, football, volleyball, and I spend a lot of time in the evening seeing my students playing there. They really enjoy their life over there. There's a dedicated yoga room. There's a dedicated teacher who helps with the gym and yoga and everything. So again, I told you, overall, it's a lively campus. You will really like it once you're over there. I've told you about this. UEM Jaipur received the QS award under gold category overall and in diamond category in placement. QS award is rated as the most prestigious award in the entire globe. And you can see me getting this picture from the head of QS awards, QS agency, and he has given us the award under gold category overall and in diamond category as far as placements are concerned. Institution Innovation Council, I've told, is ranked third. You can find a newspaper cutting where it says that we are ranked in third position, and we have been ranked in this position all over Rajasthan, ranked third. And it is, we're proud to say that in this ranking by IIC, Ministry of HRD, Government of India, we are ranked above BITS Pilani. As I told you, we are the last 4 times, we are the consecutive champions of NPTEL. This is a common exam. NPTEL or SIAM is a common exam held by Ministry of HRD, Government of India, for all students. Like students of UEM Jaipur, they, when they attend an exam, they find that they are competing amongst UEM Jaipur students only. So somebody who stands first, he is first compared to all students of UEM Jaipur. But what about the entire country? So this is a platform which has been opened up by the Ministry of HRD, Government of India. And in this platform, all students can appear in one common exam. And in that common exam, you get to see where you are standing. What is your rank? So in this exam, you find that our university, UM Jaipur, has been ranked first for 4 times, 4 consecutive times by this Ministry of HRD, Government of India, amongst the all colleges and institutes in Rajasthan. These are the topper teachers. They are all India toppers of NPTEL this year. They belong to UM Jaipur, Professor Deepali Garg and Professor Shobhik Paul. There are many other teachers. For this session, I'm talking only about the last session. They were the toppers. We were also given some other awards, best innovative self-financed university, and First India has also awarded us. I'm proud to say all this. Now I'm interested about the courses. Let me tell you about the courses. We have got, let me show you these slides to get a better view. First courses that I tell you is BTech. And when there's BTech, many people firstly ask me, sir, BTech CSE is there? Yes, BTech CSE is there. But under BTech CSE, BCA is there, BBA is there. I will come to everything. There are already questions in the chat box asking me, sir, whether BBA is there. Yes, BBA is there, BCA is there. I'm coming to it one by one. So firstly, yes, BTech CSE is a course. But what are the specializations? Can you specialize yourself within BTech CSE? Answer is yes. You can specialize yourself within BTech CSE, say in cloud computing. You want to do specialization in cloud computing. What you get to do in UEM Jaipur is you get enrolled within BTech CSE, but within BTech CSE, you get a specialization of cloud computing with some special papers you can choose for cloud computing only. So you get to do BTech CSE with specialization in cloud computing. As you know, there is a huge demand for cloud computing at the moment. All of you are at your home. Had cloud been not there, then you would not have been able to work. I would not have been able to talk to you like this, and it is just not possible without this entire cloud computing. So yes, cloud computing you can take as a specialization under BTech CSE. Under BTech CSE, you can also do a specialization on cyber forensic and internet security. I repeat, cyber forensic and internet security means to make the internet your transfer, you're working like we are doing voice over internet, we are sharing video over internet, I'm sharing screen over internet. So I want some security. So internet security is a specialization you can choose under BTech CSE. So again, you can take BTech CSE, but you can take a specialization of cyber forensic and internet security and get enough job opportunities in this sector. There are a lot of jobs in this sector. Now I tell you, there is one more opportunity before I go to the next slide. You may tell me, sir, I am a student. Many of you might tell me, sir, I'm a student, I want to pursue BTech, but see, I have only passed out of class 12. What do I know about cloud computing? What do I know about cyber forensic? How do I know that I should choose cloud computing or cyber forensic or the next one, maybe artificial intelligence? How do I know it, sir? Let me tell you, there is another option. You can choose BTech CSE in general also. And because we have the option of CBCS syllabus, as I told you, CBCS is choice-based credit system. Through that, you can later choose on your papers. Say in the first semester, first year, you do normal BTech CSE. By the time your first year is complete, you will be much more acquainted with these subjects, with these topics, with these papers, and then you will be in a better position to choose, sir, I should choose artificial intelligence. So after 1 year, you can choose, you can think that, okay, I will choose the specialization of artificial intelligence, or you may, using our CBCS method, you can choose some special papers of artificial intelligence or data science, whichever suits you. Anyway, the next specialization I was talking about, you can choose BTech CSE, but then you can take a specialization of artificial intelligence. The next thing I tell you, you can choose computer science, but then again, you can choose a specialization of blockchain technology. Now, if I tell you what is artificial intelligence, what is blockchain technology? Artificial intelligence means you are giving intelligence to the system, through which, by this intelligence, like you have got your own intelligence and do certain things, the machine will be able to do the same thing. Like if you are developing a robot, a humanoid robot, then that humanoid robot, by seeing a human being in front of him, should raise his hands for shaking the hands, or maybe raising his hands for the namaskar thing that we do in India. So how will the robot do that? It needs to have that intelligence, but intelligence of robot, it does not come automatically, it comes artificially. So that is artificial intelligence. Blockchain technology, it allows you to give more security. Suppose your results are being printed, your results are being published. If your results are protected by blockchain technology, then this technology enables the security of the report card, and nobody can dismantle or do some harm to your report card before it is generated. Data science and artificial intelligence, another option. You can take BTech in data science and artificial intelligence together. That is, you do data science and artificial, you do a special bit of specialization in data science and also do a bit of specialization in artificial intelligence. So you can do this also. You take BTech CSE, but then take a specialization of data science and artificial intelligence together. Now I come up to electrical engineering. Yes, you can choose BTech in electrical engineering, like you can choose BTech CSE as a whole, like that only. You can choose BTech in electrical engineering. But then again, within BTech in electrical engineering, you can specialize yourself in renewable energy resources. As you can know, renewable energy is a big thing. Renewable energy right now, yes, you may ask me that under the COVID-19 situation, is it possible to install all the solar plants and all those things? Yes, for the time being, it is not being done. But in the future, we are gradually going towards entire renewable energy. Solar power will be the main source of power. So yes, if you are wanting to pursue your career in renewable energy resources under BTech Electrical, you can definitely do so. You can have BTech Mechanical Engineering with specialization in machine design, with specialization in automobile engineering. I will show you some pictures, some laboratories very soon. How about automobile engineering? Our students are developing cars. They are developing racing vehicles. They are developing all-terrain vehicles. This sort of things our students are developing. So I'll show you some pictures of our laboratories. We have got BTech in electronics and communication engineering also. We have got BTech in civil engineering also. In civil, again, you can specialize sustainable construction engineering. You can do green buildings. If you look at these pictures, you can see the building is green. The entire building has been constructed in such a way that plants are also there, and it is also in such a way that the lights and all these things are used minimally. So this is green engineering. So sustainable construction engineering you can also do. We have got BCA, we have got MCA. BCA is a 3 years course. Let me tell you, there are many students who want to do BTech, want to do technical, want to pursue in technical line. But suppose you do not have maths, physics, and chemistry. I repeat, you don't have maths, you don't have physics, you don't have chemistry. You only have maths. You don't have all these three together. Then you cannot pursue BTech, but you can pursue BCA. But you remain the same technical person. You learn the different technicalities, you complete it in 3 years, and then do the MCA in 3 years, and then you become equivalent to BTech only. And after MCA, you are equivalent to BTech, and you also have got the master degree. So that way, in doing BCA plus MCA, you gain a lot. So that is how you can think of your career if you are not having physics, mathematics, and chemistry. Only with mathematics, you can just choose BCA. Our students are doing great in BCA also. As I told you, the first picture you can see in the bottom, Ankit, he has got 9 job offers. He is from BCA only. He has got 9 job offers. So those who are interested in pursuing BCA, you can do it. You can see some foreign professors over here who are taking classes. Yes, we have got this also. Foreign professors can take classes or can come for special interaction sessions. These are pictures within UEM Jaipur where the foreign professors are delivering their lectures. We have got BBA, we have got MBA. Now let me tell you, BBA is a 3 years course. If you are interested to go in a business administration line, you want to be a manager, you go to BBA. You choose a 3 years course of BBA. But after BBA, then again, you can do MBA 2 years. But we have got a specialized integrated 4 years degree program, which is BBA plus MBA. It is a 4 years integrated. See, in BBA, how many years do you need? 3 years. In MBA, how many years do you need? You need 2 years. So BBA and MBA, if you do BBA separately, MBA separately, you take 5 years. BBA plus MBA integrated 4 years degree program is an option. You can choose for that if you are a graduate. After that, MBA executive, if you are working, then how you can do MBA? You can do MBA executive. You can have some special classes of MBA, and you are doing your job also, and ultimately complete the degree in MBA executive. This is a option for working professionals. You can definitely choose this. Finally, BPT. Let me tell you that many of you might not be having the option of studying MBBS, but you want to be a doctor. Through BPT, which is the Bachelor of Physiotherapy, it is a 4.5 years course, 9 semester course. 4.5 years means 9 semester course. In this 4.5 years course, you become a physiotherapist, but you can write doctor in front of your name with a PT at the end. So you can basically become a doctor and you can have your own chamber. Now, this is, you can understand, an option to MBBS, but many of you may ask me, sir, MBBS, a doctor is a doctor. Is BPT also can have his own chamber, or can he have the same role as the doctor? Let me tell you, nowadays, many patients, orthopedic patients, are directly going to physiotherapists instead of going to a doctor. They don't go to a doctor and then don't need a doctor to refer him to a physiotherapist. He directly goes to the doctor, physiotherapist, and takes his treatment. And in BPT, after 4 years, when you become a doctor, you have got immense amount of reputation in the field also. People actually would love to give you a lot of respect. So that is another option. That is another good thing about BPT. Because you can understand, in BPT, the doctors are treating you without medicine. There is no side effect. They're treating you without medicine. So in 4.5 years, you can become a doctor. If you are an MBBS, you can definitely, if you're wanting to be an MBBS and not getting the option somehow, you can definitely take this as an option. You may take, sir, another option for me is nursing. If I don't take MBBS, can I take nursing? Let me tell you, yes, you can definitely take nursing. It is good. But in nursing, you have to remain under a doctor, na? You have to remain under a doctor. A doctor will only instruct you what to do. Whereas in BPT, in physiotherapist, if you're a physiotherapist, then you don't need a doctor. You can become a doctor yourself, and patients will go directly to you. To a nurse, a patient does not go. Nurse has to work under a doctor. So this is about BPT, MPT. Now I will go back to a few other courses that we have. As I told you, we have got this MTech. We have got, I've told you about MBA. We have got MCA also. So we have got MTech 2 years, Master of Technology in CSE, ECE, Civil Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Mechanical Engineering. All this we have got MTech also. So if you have done BTech, you can do MTech in these courses. You can, after your BCA, you can do MCA also. So these things I have already told you, but MTech specifically I did not tell, so I mentioned. I've told you about all these courses: BTech, BPT, BBA, BCA, all this I told you. We have got PhD also. So anybody is a master's, want to do PhD, you can definitely do PhD also. Scholarship is there. You can avail the scholarship. I will request you to look into our website. You will get all details about the scholarship. You can avail up to 100% scholarship on tuition fees if you have got 95% aggregate. With 90% aggregate marks in class 12 and 85% aggregate marks in class 12, you can avail up to 50% and 25% scholarship. IMG is the option. You can take IMG exam to take admission into our university. We have got our hostel facilities. As I told you, it's a wonderful campus. You have got several hostels, 6 separate blocks of hostel for the boys, 1 separate block of hostel for the girl. So It's a wonderful campus, as I told you, all surrounded by trees, and students really love to stay over here. They play, they come to classes in normal time, interact with the teachers. Teachers stay in the same quarter. I tell you that also. Teachers stay in the same quarter as that of students. They stay in the same block, not the quarter, same blocks as that of students. So students at any point of time can go to a teacher's room and knock on the teacher's door. That facility they also have got. So during exam, they really like to discuss with the teachers, interact with the teachers, take help from the teachers. So that option is always there. You remain in front of the teacher's eyes. So this is always a facility that the teachers have, that the students have in UEM Jaipur. I told you I will tell you about some laboratories. Some industry standard laboratories and project works are there in UEM Jaipur. This is maybe my last point before I close off for the questions. There are several videos. I cannot show you the videos because this video conferencing facility does not give you the opportunity to show videos normally, because videos come in a very not in a proper way in your screen. So I will not show you the videos, but you can see the videos in our UEM Jaipur YouTube channel or in the IMUEM official channel. You can simply search over YouTube UEM Jaipur channel. You will get it. You can click on it and see all the videos. We have got augmented reality and virtual reality laboratory. It's an industry standard laboratory, and works that are happening there are industry standard. This is a field where the world is gaining a lot of attention, and students having the knowledge on augmented reality and virtual reality are being grabbed by the industry like nothing. They are getting a job straightforward in several industries with huge job offers. Augmented reality means by wearing a glass, a student can see around the world, a person can see around the world, but in that world, some virtual characters are augmented. I think you understand my point. It's a virtual characters getting augmented in the real world by wearing a glass. Virtual reality means by wearing a glass, you go to a virtual world totally. In that virtual world, you move around. You move around feeling that you are moving around in a palace, maybe. So there is virtual reality. So how to do this project works on augmented reality and virtual reality? We have got a laboratory. We have got specific instructors. Our teachers, our students are doing great in that laboratory. They're working continuously in that laboratory. So this is a special thing in UEM Jaipur. We have got robotics laboratory where you get to see humanoid robot, spider robot, penguin robot. We have got 3D printing option in UEM Jaipur. You have got an automobile and mechanical workshop. I will show you all these pictures. We have got a high power transmission laboratory. So this is the spider robot I talked about. I cannot show you the video, but please get into our UEM Jaipur YouTube channel to find the video. This is the spider robot. This robot can move around like a spider and do spying if necessary. This is the humanoid robot I talked about. Our students have developed it. Once you are a student of UEM Jaipur, you get to work in this laboratory. You can develop humanoid robots. You can develop spider robots. You can work with these robots. You can develop several features, incorporate features. You can program features into these robots. You can make it hand shape. You can make it move. All these features are there in this robot. Please have a look into our channel. See all these videos. This is the penguin robot I talked about. It moves like a penguin. This is a sign language recognition device. Let me tell you, a person who is deaf and dumb, he cannot, his language, his work of, his way of communicating cannot be understood by a normal person. So this is a device which reads his language, reads his signs that he make, and reads out the thing. Suppose you say, I am Biswajoy Chatterjee. So you show it by your hand. This device will read out for you, I am Biswajoy Chatterjee. So these are the different projects that our students are doing in the industry standard laboratories that we have in UEM Jaipur. This is a prosthetic robotic hand. By wearing this hand, a person who is physically handicapped and maybe does not have his hand, he can wear this hand and can make all the movements of a finger that a human being can do with a hand. So this is a prosthetic robotic hand where our students are working. If you're a student of UEM Jaipur, you can work with this in this laboratory with these hands. You can definitely work upon. This is a CNC machine that our students developed, and those who are from Bengal, you can know him. He is Professor Shoikot Mitra from Makaut. We handed over the mini PCB maker or mini CNC machine that our students developed. We handed him over for using in the laboratory of this Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology in West Bengal. It is the government university technical university that we have in all states. In Bengal, it is Makaut. So we handed over on behalf of all students and teachers of UEM Jaipur. You get to see this picture. This is the picture of a mechanical workshop. You see three cars. One car is the racing car developed by our students. Our students have developed this car and they ride in this car throughout the university campus. They drive this car, racing car, from one end of the campus to another. One thing you can see, all-terrain vehicle. Three cars are there. One is the racing car. Two cars are racing car. One is an all-terrain vehicle, ATV. Students are using this, riding these cars. They have developed these cars and they are riding these cars. Our students were the champions. Students of UEM Jaipur were the champions of SAE India Convention North 2018. By riding these vehicles, by showing off these vehicles, they were the champions of SAE India Convention North. So this is the picture of the laboratory or mechanical workshop of UEM Jaipur. You see this picture? This is the high power transmission laboratory, 11 kV power transmission lab with PLC, SCADA, all this. Our students of electrical engineering, before they pass out of electrical engineering, they get to work in this laboratory, which is just present in an industry. You don't get to see this in any other educational institute, at least not in North India. This laboratory is present in UEM Jaipur. Students can work in this laboratory, and after working, when they pass out, they are absolutely ready for the industry. It is an industry standard laboratory that we have. Right now, under this COVID-19 situation, we are developing this ventilator. Our UEM Jaipur students and researchers are developing this very low-cost ventilator, and we are to hand it over. We have shown it to government. Government has praised it, and we are going to hand it over to the government once there is a necessity. Once there is a shortage of ventilators, we are going to make it in mass scale and hand it over to the government. That is one thing we are doing for the society under this COVID-19 scenario. But I tell you one thing, that once this COVID-19 scenario is over, world will smile again. World will smile again. So you don't lose a year. If you want to take admission right now, you do that. You can call in this number 98873 I told you another number, 8010 700 500. I repeat, 8010 700 500. You can call in that number also, or you can click a picture of this 98873 have a call, take admission. Our admission portal is admission.uem.edu.in if you are interested. I'm going to take few questions now before I end over. BTech placements, I have told you, dear. BTech placements. This last year, one student got 7 job offers. It was 123.22% placement. Somebody called Mayank Kumar asked that. Can join your Google Classroom. Yes, you can join. We will, once you are a student of our university, we will send you all the links. You can join. Fees for BTech, yes, fees is there. Fees is around 40,000 per 45,000 per semester. Scholarships are applicable. You can have a call at 98873 13330. We have, yes, electrical electronics engineer is the engineering is there. How you can take admission again? Yes, for taking admission, you can log into admission.uem.edu.in, or you can call 98873 13330 or 8010 700 500. How to take admission in MBA? Same way, you can again call 98873 13330 or 8010 700 500. Maximum question is how to take admission. How to take admission in lateral entry. Same thing, dear. If you want to take admission in lateral entry, Tonoy Mondal is asking me, can I take admission in lateral entry? Yes, you can take admission in lateral entry. If you want to take admission in lateral entry, you have to have a diploma. And if you are having diploma, you can complete this course of BTech in 3 years. You can take admission directly into second year. So you do only second year, third year, fourth year, and complete your BTech in 3 years. That's the specialty of taking lateral admission. You can take that. Method is same, admission.uem.edu.in, admission.uem.edu.in, or you please call 98873 13330 or 8010 700 500. Once more I will show you, 98873 13330. I think you can see this, 98873 13330. You can call this number and take admission. Somebody is asking me how to take admission in BTech CSE. Same method, BTech CSE, same method. I have done. Can I take MBA? Yes, you can take MBA. Triple E department. Sorry, Triple E is not available in UEM Jaipur. I'm very sorry for it. But you have got electrical, you have got double E electrical engineering, you have got ECE, and because of our CBCS syllabus, see, if I announce formally, Tonoy Mondol again asks me, can I take Triple E? See, Tonoy, I tell you, Triple E we don't have in UEM Jaipur, but then again, telling I don't have is a straightforward answer. But in UEM Jaipur, you have got a CBCS syllabus where you can choose many of your papers. So if you choose double E, if you take double E and choose some special papers under electronics engineering, then you automatically get those papers of electrical engineering also, the normal papers of electrical engineering also, and some special papers of electronics engineering also. So that way you equip yourself in both double E and electronics engineering. So automatically you become like a triple E. That option is there because we have got CBCS syllabus. Somebody has asked me again, BTech CSC. I've told you how to take admission. Is UEM Jaipur good? Yes, I assure you, UEM Jaipur is very good. I assure you, it is very good. Students, I generally see all students have left our university with good job offers. I can tell you this much. They are doing very good. They are getting job offers from foreign companies also. They are getting foreign offers. They are getting to study, pursue their career in foreign land also. They're studying in higher study. Higher study, they are going to different foreign universities. So yes, it's a good university. What about MTech? MTech is very good. In our university, there are many MTech students. If you have done your BTech or your MSc, you can definitely opt for MTech. Even after MCA, you can opt for MTech. We have got MTech in CSE, ECE, double E, that is electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and civil engineering, and with specializations also. Different specializations are available. You can kindly call 9887313330. That is available in the screen. You can call this number and take admission in MTech also. Yes, MBA also. Somebody asks me, my daughter is doing her +2 with bio, with maths. I want to know which course can I opt for her apart from professional course. See, if you have got bio, in our case, I will tell you, you can go for BPT, Bachelor of Physiotherapy. This is a course where you basically become a doctor at the end of 4 years, 4.5 years. You become a doctor. You can write doctor in front of your name with a PT at the end, indicating that you are a physiotherapist. You can have your own chamber and you can work in different hospitals also. You can also go to government sectors. And in the different hospitals, they take a lot of physiotherapists. And in operations, several physiotherapists are needed. Especially in this scenario, you need special physiotherapists, several physiotherapists. So that is an option for you. Apart from that, you can do, if you have got maths, you can take BCA. BCA is a wonderful option. In BCA, you can take 3 years. In 3 years, you become BCA, and you get those knowledge which a BTech personnel gets also. With maybe certain papers are not there, but you can choose BCA and you become a technical person if you want to. So these are the two options. You can choose BBA also. In our university, the options are BCA, BBA, and BPT. Placement tasks, I have given that answer already. BCom graduation person can take MBA. Yes, definitely. If you're a BCom graduate, you can definitely take MBA. Mr. Manish Ahuja asks me. You can definitely do MBA after BCom. That is highly an option. Definitely an option. And under MBA, we have got finance. We have got this IT, that is systems. We have got several other options that are possible under MBA. You can do marketing, you can do finance, you can do IT, several things under MBA you can do. We have got dual specialization in MBA. Let me tell you, we can do major in one, minor in other. In that way, suppose you become a marketing personnel, and after marketing, you do in IT also. That is also possible. Say you want to work in a bank, so you do finance and also you do marketing. That way it is possible. So we have got dual specialization option available. So yes, you can do. Somebody writes, sir, I have 90% throughout, but passed 12 in 2017, then prepared for NEET exam with year gap affect my placement. Up to 2 years, it does not. Up to 2 years, it generally does not. Third year, I will not tell you, it will totally not affect. I will not tell you. One or two, 1% or 2% of the companies might tell that why do you have a year gap? They will allow you. I tell you, they will allow you. They will allow you. But 1% or 2% companies might ask you that why do you have year gap? It is up to you how you explain to them. If you explain with positive signs, sir, I was really preparing. Then I prepared. I got good. I got some good things. I got to know that knowledge, this knowledge I have. And after that, I did my 4 years BTech or 4 years, what 3 years BCA, whatever. Now I don't have any problem. I've learned many papers. I'm confident. So that way, if you can convince the companies, no problems at all. But yes, 1%, 2% companies will definitely ask you why this year gap is there. That I tell you. But that does not mean that you don't have a career at all. No, not at all. You can have a very good career and you can get an equivalent career if you don't, if you did not have this year gap, same thing. No problems with that. Okay, somebody writes, Rejuan writes, sir, I am from a village area. Here, internet connection is not good. Even I don't have good laptop or good mobile. So, any backup plan for students like me? Yes, Rejuan, I will show you. I had got a screen. Somehow I did not read it out. I will go to that screen very quickly. Please allow me. Please have a look into this screen. I told you online classes will continue till the pandemic situation is over. After the situation is over and university opens physically as per government instructions, students can attend and enjoy physical classes and hostel life. Now, once the students are registered with the university, their email ID and WhatsApp numbers are there with the university. The timetable of classes and laboratories will be sent to them right from the beginning. Next, they will be sent the link of all classes and laboratories exactly as per the routine. Students will only need to click on the link and attend the classes online. Now, Rejuan, answer to your questions. For those students where there is internet connection problem and attending online classes is not feasible, the recorded video of the classes will be uploaded in YouTube and the link will be shared with all the students after the classes and their uploading is done so that the students can stream it and see it gradually. So I think you get your answer. Even if you have got a slow internet connection and a very basic smartphone, you can at least stream a YouTube video. Once it is downloaded properly, maybe taking 1 hour, 2 hours. After that, you can see the YouTube video and attend the entire class. Now, uploading of answers is done through Google Classroom. So that is never a problem. In Google Classroom, you don't need a fast internet at all. A slow internet is enough to do in Google Classroom. I think I have answered your question. So I will go to some other questions. So I want to take admission in MBA. You are always welcome. Please have a call 9887313330 or 8010700500. I'll go to the last slide again so that you can see the numbers. Sorry, just yeah, 9887313330. You can call this number. Somebody asks me 2 year gap can affect my placement. No, 2 years gap will not affect your placement. In 3 years, some company might ask you the question. I told you, in 3 years gap, some companies might ask you the question. They will allow you, but they might ask you the question that why do you have the year gap? You will have to explain to them properly. You have to tell that I wanted to prepare, so I've prepared. Now I'm knowledgeable with many subjects like this, many papers like this. I'm confident. You can ask me. If you can show this confidence and answer, there's no problem at all. One or two companies might ask you the question in 3 years. Lateral entry in MCA is available. Yes, it is available. If you are having there's some criteria, I will request you to call 9887313330. But then again, if you are BCA 3 years, then you have to do MCA also 3 years. I've told you. Acha, MNCs like Wipro, TCS, etc. would come to the campus or not? Let me tell you, it depends. Different years, it is different. It is generally seen for the last 2 to 3 years, they are generally doing it through a common platform for all students of engineering. And all students are able to sit, but yes, the college needs to be registered. In most of the companies, we are a venue, we are the venue, we conduct this. And many other companies, if you leave out maybe TCS, and Infosys, most of the companies come on campus. TCS and Infosys for the last 2 years, they have done through a portal for all students. But yes, many years they do come. Next year they might come also. So it depends from year to year. But then again, it hardly matters. They are doing it for all students in one platform or doing it specially for you. Ultimately, you have to crack. If you pass the cutoff score, then if you can do it for competing only with the UEM students, or you can do it competing with the entire world. The entire country sits in one campus, doesn't matter, because you only need to clear the cutoff. It is dependent on your own knowledge, not on the knowledge of your competitors. Yes, BTech Data Science and Artificial Intelligence, I have already told you. It is there, BTech Data Science and Artificial Intelligence. In Data Science and Artificial Intelligence, you can do specialization in both data science and artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, what is the nature? What is artificial intelligence? I have told you. What is data science? Data science is the science of data. You'll get to understand. It's very difficult to explain you right now. Data science means it is basically how you deal with data, information about data. That is the science of data, as you can understand from the name itself. Data is more power than anything else in the world today. Data is more power. So how you handle the data, how you keep the data, how you store the data, how you access the data easily, how you can reach the data that you need. Suppose you need a particular phone number, you cannot reach it very quickly. So how you reach that data, all these are the sciences that you need to learn under data science. Foreign collaboration, we have got foreign collaborations. We have got foreign collaboration with University of Sydney, Australia, National University of Singapore. Our students can go and study. You can go and study abroad in universities like University of British Columbia, Vancouver, where we conduct our conferences. We have got several tie-ups with several foreign universities, and we are the one of the 3 or 4 universities in the entire country who conduct foreign conferences in foreign land in these universities. International collaboration, international tie-up, I told you, we have got with all these foreign universities where you can pursue. You can do in Australia, you can do in Canada, you can do in America. Once this situation is over, world again starts smiling. You can go to any of these universities. Just a few days back, many students went to National University of Singapore, where they took a course and came back. So you can go there, stay for 6 months. You can do it in NUS. You can do it in University of Sydney. You can do it in University of Sydney. You can do it in this Las Vegas, University of Nevada, Las Vegas, UNLV, University of Nevada, Las Vegas. If you want to and go there and stay for 6 months, you can do that. You can go there, study for 6 months and come back. The credit is incorporated. We have got a CBCS syllabus. The credit is incorporated. So you can do it in US also. You can do it in Canada also. You can do that. Whether you can change BTech lateral stream, it depends. Which stream to which stream you can want to change. Suppose you are in ECE, you want to come to CSE, 3 years ECE and want to do CSE, I think you can do that because that is allowed. But then again, you have done civil and you want to come to CSE, I don't think that is allowed. So it depends from which stream to which stream you want to get transferred to. Suppose you have done automobile, you want to come to mechanical, you can definitely come. You have done mechanical and come to automobile, that is also something you can definitely do. So you can do it. How good are the placements for civil engineers? Civil engineers also get wonderful job offers in our UEM Jaipur. Several students are getting job offers in several companies. I will request you to get into our website, have a look into our website. In the website, details are given that which are the companies where our students got recruited. You will find many companies where our students, including L&T, Larsen and Toubro, where our students have got recruited. So our students have got job offers from Larsen and Toubro also, but it depends which there are several companies. If you are well versed with your subjects, if you have learned your subjects well, you can get into the best of companies from UEM. BBA admission once more. Yes, BBA admission, I told you, BBA admission, for admission in BBA, you can get into very easily. You can call this number 9887313330. You can get into our website admission.uem.edu.in and take admission. Same thing, BBA admission. If you are having for BBA, you need to pass class 12, you need to have English. If you are having English, you can take admission in BBA. Civil engineers are suffering from getting job offers, so how your college is managing? See, Shoptik, I will tell you, no problem is permanent. If you are a class 12 student, then when you go to your fourth year, what will be the situation? You never know. It might happen that that time civil engineers are making the maximum hay. Maybe the civil engineers are doing the best at that time. So you never know. You have to wait for your turn. Civil engineers are also getting good job offers. As I told you, in LLT also our students got job offers. It really depends what you can do. In our case, one student, Shaugato Banerjee, he has got a job offer in third year only. In third year, one company has confirmed him that once you are passing out of UEM Jaipur, you definitely can get into our company. It's a Technostruct USA. I tell you the company name also, Technostruct USA, where our student Shaugato Banerjee and another student Afnan Alam, both of them got job offers right in third year. And the company said once you complete your fourth year, you can immediately join our company. So again, it depends. So I think any other question? Salary, I told you, I've given you. Salary is the offer on campus was 40 lakhs per annum last year, 2019. In 2020, the offer of 40 lakhs have not been yet offered, but it will come very soon because this company, Adobe, they do placement a little late. But 12 lakhs was the offer definitely. Scholarship, somebody wants to know about the scholarship. I told you in scholarship, if you're having 90%, 95% marks in class 12, then you can avail full free ship on tuition fees. Your entire tuition fees becomes free. If you're having 90% marks in class 12, you can get 50% scholarship on tuition fees. If you are having 85% marks in class 12, you can have 25% scholarship on tuition fees. In this way, you can avail the different scholarships. In IEM JEE exam, if you just search IEM JEE exam, you will get it. In our website also, you get the link. You click on IEM JEE and take the exam. IEM JEE exam, you please take. If you take that exam of IEM JEE, through that IEM JEE, you can also get scholarship. If you score a certain marks above 60% in IEM JEE, you get scholarship of 25% on tuition fees. So these are the scholarships available. So I told you about the scholarship. So now I see a lot of thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. I told you, yes, collaboration program, foreign exchange program are available. You can go to National University of Singapore and take 6 months of course. You can go to University of Nevada, Las Vegas. You can go to University of Sydney, Australia. All these universities you can go and study for 6 months and come back. We have got our credit transfer through which we will incorporate. I think I have answered all your questions. I can only see the thank yous now. Okay. Placement for BPT. BPT students are getting placed in different hospitals. In the different hospitals, they're getting internships. Then, if you are asking about in which role, even in a role of a physiotherapist, in a physiotherapist is needed in all operations. In all operations, they need physiotherapists. So you once you become a physiotherapist, you can definitely immediately enroll. You can get in a hospital and work under a doctor initially, and then you become your own, have your own chamber, work in the hospital separately as a physiotherapist, whatever you want to. So you have got a lot of opportunity. Physiotherapist you don't see around nowadays. You see around different chambers where physiotherapists sit. You can simply go get into the chamber like a doctor and take his consultation. It's very normal, natural nowadays. And I told you in BPT, the advantage is that in nursing, the advantage is not there that you cannot be independent. But in BPT, you have got that independence. You can definitely be a doctor of your own. Yeah, so I think all answers I have given. Thank you, all things. So lastly, I will tell you, under this COVID-19 scenario, please stay safe, stay at home, stay safe, take care of your elders, take care of your parents, take care of everyone around you. Try to stay as safe as possible. Please see all the guidelines given by the Ministry of Ayush has given several guidelines. Please follow those. And thank you very much for attending this session. I'm sure that I could give you some insights to those people who are looking for UEM Jaipur. I've given you the insights. And I tell you once more, Jaipur is a wonderful city. You don't need to come to right now. Come to Jaipur if you are out of the state. You don't need to come to Jaipur right now. All classes will be held online initially. Once this COVID-19 scenario is over, join the university, enjoy the campus. It's a 32 acres lush green huge campus, a lush green campus within which you'll see a gothic architecture style building. 11 buildings within campus, and in the campus you have a mechanical workshop, electrical workshop separately. Night canteens are there. You can have a Chinese canteen is there. So several sort of canteens and places where students can enjoy. Playgrounds are there, and definitely classes are wonderful. Teachers and student ratio is student relation is wonderful. You can talk to the teachers anytime. You can talk to me whenever you like to. Any problems you can discuss with me. We'll definitely try to find out a solution. In this way, you can have a wonderful life at UEM Jaipur. Thank you so much for attending this. Thank you. Thank you so much.